My name is Barbara and I'm one of the docents here at Matthaei-Botanical Gardens. And today I want to talk to you about one of my favorite plants here in the arid or desert room at the conservatory. And that plant is the fabulous prickly pear cactus. The prickly pear cactus, like the other succulent plants here in the desert collection, live in an ecosystem that has limited precipitation, sometimes receiving less than 1 inch of rain a year. Hence, their primary survival goal is to store as much water as possible. The prickly pear is native to numerous arid and semi-arid regions in the Americas. Even here in Michigan, where, believe it or not, we have 2 prickly pear cacti that are native. The prickly pear is cold tolerant and can live over 20 years. There are over 150 species of the prickly pear cactus. They all have these flat, fleshy green pads that look like a large leaf that are round or oval shaped, and as you can see, grow at very odd angles. The pads of the prickly pear actually are modified stems or branches and serve several purposes: water storage, photosynthesis, and flower production. And the rough or tough waxy surface of the pad actually helps retain moisture during periods of drought. The pad actually is about 85% water. Like other cacti, there are large pointy spines that come out of the pads. And if you look really closely, there are very tiny spines, and may be hard to see on the video, but they're fuzzy looking and they're called glochids. And these glochids look harmless, however, they're very irritating to the skin and also hard to remove. The spines and the glochids actually provide the cactus protection from animals who are seeking out water and food. Have you ever eaten a cactus? Well, the pad of the prickly pear is considered a vegetable and is edible. It can be jarred, steamed, grilled, roasted, and is used in a variety of different Mexican dishes. Obviously, the spines and the glochids need to be removed before eaten. The pads are very high in nutrients and antioxidants and are thought to have numerous health benefits, such as regulating blood sugar, treating cold symptoms, burns, cuts, sunburns, just to mention a few. The flower of the prickly pear usually appears sometimes between April and June after the winter and the spring rains. They come in a variety of colors: magenta, red, orange, and yellow, and really brighten up the desert landscape. Following the bloom, the fruit of the prickly pear, also known as tuna, will appear. Each flower will produce 1 fruit, and the fruit will appear on the edges of the pad. It will turn a bright red when they're ripened. And the fruit should not be picked until it's ripe, which usually occurs late summer, early fall. And during this harvest time, you can actually find the cactus fruit in some of the markets here in Michigan. The fruit is mildly sweet and can just be peeled and eaten raw, but it's also used in making candies and jellies and juices and wines. If you cut the fruit open, as you see here, you will see a fleshy, juicy meat with lots of little black seeds. The fruit, like the pad, is considered to have a lot of nutrients and antioxidants, and is also thought to have numerous medicinal uses. Wildlife, such as iguanas, jackrabbits, tortoises, and birds, seek out the prickly pear for its fruit and its pad as food. And also, the cactus provides shelter for rodents, reptiles, birds, to help protect them against predators. Well, thank you for watching, and I really hope that you enjoyed hearing about the incredible edible prickly pear cactus. And please come visit us and experience the beauty of the conservatory here at Matthaei-Botanical Gardens.